मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया देखने वाले सभी दर्शक मित्रों को कीर्ति दर्शा का प्यार भरा नमस्कार। So today we are going to go with the fourth episode. Ishwa Women's Wing presented cooking show 4 weeks ago. So today is the fourth episode and we are so excited. Today we are going to bring you all the way to Delhi. दिल्ली की गलियों में जो खस्ता कचौरीज और आलू की सब्जी के साथ आप जो मजा लेते हैं वो आज हम लोग ट्राई
चांदनी चौक की याद दिला देता है।
चांदनी चौक की याद दिला देता है। तो आज हमारे साथ है डेजी गुप्ता। वो हमको आज सिखाएगी कैसे बनाते हैं एंड मूंग दाल की कचौरी which is very famous in Delhi. So welcome Daisy, thank you so much for attending. So say something about the recipe and where, like, is there any special attachment with it or?
No, basically because I belong to Delhi and we keep on visiting Chandni Chowk and khasta kachori is the most favorite. Khasta kachori and golgappe.
Acha.
Both are most popular in India, especially in Delhi.
Acha. Okay.
So today I'm going to make khasta kachori with stuffing of a moong dal. So let's see.
So it's very street में मिलती है, जैसे गलियों में अगर आप देखो तो ठेले पे मिलती है।
Yeah.
अच्छा, क्या बात है, यम आटा
आपको दिल्ली की याद आ जाएगी।
So shall we start with the rest, मतलब ingredients?
Yeah, I will first tell you about the ingredients. So for making the dough, I have taken plain flour, ghee and salt and warm water. So ghee actually you can fry in ghee or in oil, but for making the dough, preferably you should put ghee because it will make the kachori crispy. Okay.
And sorry Daisy, so it's a pure ghee है? मतलब
yeah, this is a,
do we have to use special brand or?
No, you can use any brand. Yeah, it should be normal ghee. Only thing is you can make in oil also, but that will not make it very crispy and soft. So
अगर
preferably
नहीं है तो butter use कर सकते हैं क्या?
Yeah, you can use clarified butter or something.
Okay.
And then these are the ingredients for stuffing of moong dal. So I have taken this is soaked moong dal which I have soaked overnight, and then I grinded it. It should not be grinded very much. Should be very coarse. So I just put it in the grinder for 1 second and took it out. Okay. Then these are the spices. This is cumin seed, a half teaspoon of cumin seed, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, सौंफ जिसको हम कहते हैं. Then 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, salt of course that you can add as per your taste, and then half teaspoon of this chili powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. Okay. And you can of course add 1 pinch of small pinch of hing. It should not be put in large quantity, otherwise it will change the taste. It will make it bitter. Then these are some crushed, which I have crushed chilies and ginger. You can put salt powder also if you don't have ginger. And these are some chopped coriander. Okay, so these are all stuffing for moong dal. And then I'm going to make aloo ki sabji. So these are some mashed potatoes. I have boiled them and mashed them. You should not chop them because it will give a better taste when you mash them with hands. Okay. These are grated tomatoes, then chopped coriander, chopped chilies, and then I'll put some bay leaves, some chilies, and this is kasuri methi. So I'm going to put all these things, and then some normal spices like chili powder, turmeric powder, cumin seeds. Okay. So let's start.
Wow, Indian cooking is full of spices.
Oh, I'm so excited.
You like you have whole country here. So सबसे पहले क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग?
I'm taking 2 cup of plain flour.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Plain flour, any brand will okay?
Yeah, you can take from Australia like all-purpose flour. So it's available in Coles, Woolworths, anywhere, any plain flour. So I'll put 2 cups of this. add in some salt, which you can add as per your taste. Then I'll mix it. Well,
Do you have any memories with this recipe? कौन बनाता था?
yeah, my mother-in-law used to make very nice kachoris.
अच्छा.
But she expired very soon. We got married in 1996, and in the same year, unfortunately, she expired. But she taught me how to make kachori. And generally, we make it on every Diwali, and we miss her a lot. So I'm going to put some melted ghee. When we are making the dough, we have to mix the ghee first, and dough should be like ghee should be mixed very well, and when you uh, take the dough in your hand, you should have it should be bounded. That's the way of making. Like if you, even if you are making some namak para or samosa or other things,
Is that?
this is the quantity of ghee you should put. That it should, yeah, okay. Otherwise, it won't be very crispy and okay. So then I'm taking some warm water. Now I'll knead it very well. Don't put too much of water. It should be added slowly. You can see, and dough should not be very soft. It should not be very hard. It should be medium. Okay. And it should be kneaded very well.
People are saying speak it in English.
After making the dough, we have to keep it for 30 minutes. Okay, so first that's why I'm making the dough first. We'll keep it aside for 30 minutes, and in the meantime, we'll start making the stuffing. It should not be very dry. It should not be very wet. So you can add some dry flour accordingly, or you can add some water.
दुनिया में किसी कोई भी खाना खा लो, घर का खाना घर का.
Yeah, of course.
Without
That's very
making
true.
your hand dirty,
Yeah.
you can't cook good food.
Yeah, kachori is in demand. Make sure to knead it very well.
Okay, Daisy, what's your profession? What do you do in day-to-day life?
Basically, actually, I'm a software engineer by profession.
Achha.
I was working for Government of India. We moved here 5 years ago, and my husband is migration consultant. So now I'm doing immigration law because I want to join his business. I want to work along with him.
Immigration law, wow, sounds really exciting.
Okay, now this is ready.
अच्छा ये देखा है अपने like और viewers को. So this is how it should be. It's like not really firm, not really very soft. It's a medium size. Okay, so that one step.
I'll knead it once again after 30 minutes. I'll keep it aside. You have to cover it with a muslin cloth, or you can take that kitchen towel, wet it, and then cover it. Okay.
So is that because it doesn't get dry?
Yeah, that's it. So now we'll start making the stuffing.
Okay. Yeah. So this moong dal is without the chilka, right? It's a normal moong dal.
Yeah, it's without chilka.
Okay.
You can make it with urad dal also. Some people prefer taking with moong dal, and some people take it with urad dal. So it can be, it depends on your choice. Actually, in Rajasthan, I think moong dal is quite common, and in Delhi, urad dal is more popular.
Acha.
So I'm putting 2 teaspoon of oil.
Again, it's like can be any oil, right? It doesn't need to be.
Yeah. You can put any vegetable oil or refined oil. Okay, then I'll take the stuff there.
So Daisy, cooking is your hobby? Do you like cooking?
When I cook, then I cook it with my passion. Otherwise, I don't cook very frequently.
Acha. So क्या डालेंगे हम सबसे पहले?
First of all, I'm going to put cumin seeds.
अच्छा.
Okay. Mix. Sure to make flame on medium. Should not, because these spices should not burn. It's not ready yet. Wait for some time. Then I'm putting fennel seeds. I've crushed it a bit. Okay.
So roasted है ये?
No, it's not roasted.
It's not roasted. Okay.
No, I'm going to saute it so it will roast within the oil. Then I'm going to put coriander powder into this. Chili powder. So amchur and salt we can add later. Now I'm going to put the moong dal into this. I'll fry it slowly. Some people prefer putting some besan gram flour to. They add gram flour to it. Generally, I don't eat because it takes lots of time to cook that.
Or when you cook finally the kachori?
No, before making for stuffing, I'm saying.
Okay.
Before putting moong dal, we can put roast some gram flour within the oil, and then we can add moong dal. That make it consistent, but generally I prefer only using dal. Maybe I'll start with the oil for the eating because it will take some time. Shall I? You have to fry it slowly for 5-6 minutes, or you can taste it. It should not be raw.
Meanwhile, we are like they're seeing the masala is happening. I just wanted to let everybody know about Ishwa's Women's Wing. So Women's Wing does there are lots of few activities during the year. We just had a women's breakfast last week, and we had around 200 plus people attended. We had few talks and few inspiration activities happening, and also we had dance at the end of the session as well. And a lot of people enjoyed it so much. So it was just wanted to let you know if you are interested, just join the Ishwa's Women's Wing on Facebook page. We also have Vishwa Women's Wing WhatsApp group, and also there is a cooking at Vishwa.first.org. That's an email address as well. If you have any concerns or if you have any questions, you can always write us an email about it. We have women's wing and also we have men's wing as well. So next week we are having men's breakfast. So all the men are welcome, and this cooking show is not only for women, that's for everybody. So where men, women, everybody can come and show us your skills and we all can learn out of each other. So men's breakfast is next week, Ishwar Center, and that is from 8:30 to, it's on 6th of September, and it's from 8:30 to 11:30. So please, if you have not registered, please register. Going to Ishwa's Facebook page and register yourself. And you can bring your friends as well. But remember, registration is very necessary because it's a COVID restriction. We have limited people entry. So at the moment, it is open, but please hurry up. So let's see what Daisy is doing. So it looks like the masala, the aroma is so good.
You can feel the aroma.
Yeah, very
Now
nice.
I'm going
Very
to
nice.
add some crushed ginger and chilies.
Okay.
And some amchur powder, dry mango powder. What else? Salt. Salt can be as per your taste.
So I can see that you put very little oil, but it's roasting really nicely. So it's not necessary.
Yeah, because I have taken non-stick, I don't like putting too much oil. And moreover, it should not be moist. It should be completely dry. Otherwise, it will come out while making kachori. So you have to make sure that there is no excess oil, there is no excess water, there is no water at all. So it has to be cooled down completely, so that moisture doesn't. There is no moisture in it.
So normally we have seen the kachoris like in the restaurants or in the Telewala or whatever, but I never actually tried making it.
So you will get a chance to
really
taste it,
excited.
and I hope you would like it.
I will love it, definitely.
And I'll add a pinch of hing. Be careful not add too much hing. And last pinch of coriander. I think it's done now. Now I keep it aside so that it can cool down. And the meanwhile, actually I have kept some already made stuffing because it takes too much time to cool down. So I'll make use some dough and fill them with the stuffing.
So Daisy, how do you manage your work, your study, and how's
Yeah,
everything together?
It's very difficult. It's okay.
Challenging, do you think
Yeah,
it's a
in
challenge?
Australia it's hard work, but I know everyone is doing that.
Yeah.
So
But you could be really inspiration for a lot of other people because study.
yeah, studying law is very tough.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it is like more tough than maths or something like some laws there are some in other act, so you have to relate them and you have to pinpoint the exact thing, otherwise everything is gone. But I'm enjoying it. It's good. Like in India, we don't study after a stage. But in Australia, yeah, you keep on changing your profession. I'm loving it.
Oh, good.
Okay, so this is my dough.
Do you want
Sorry.
to come this side, Daisy?
Okay, yeah, I'll come back. My dough is ready, so I'll remove this. So this I have kept for a half an hour, and this is my now filling. So I'll knead it again to make it very soft, and it should be very smooth.
I have seen some people making with the hand as well.
Yeah, I'm going to. You can use a baलन, or you can. It's good to make it with hand, but if you are not comfortable, you can use the rolling pin. Take out some fillings. You can try baking some.
Yeah.
Maybe after some time once I start.
Yeah, probably. I will give it a go one. See, just like a handful of it. Okay, fine. You just, yeah, okay.
Yeah, should not be very big. Because sometimes if you are making small kachori, they will puff up. But if you are making it very big, it might not puff up. Okay, then
Done?
no, there are lots of things to do. Then I'll make some balls from the stuffing which I had made. Put into the.
It's good to see how it's a binding, even though it doesn't have any besan flour or anything in
Yeah. That's why if you put besan flour, it would be very easy to bind. Plus, I didn't grind them. Some people like it very coarse, some grind it very well. So it depends. All depends on your choice.
Okay.
Okay, you can make balls like this.
That's so you were just making small little balls.
Yeah. Then I'll put them inside. You can put hands of water to bind it properly.
I think I can do the others.
Okay.
If you want
Yeah,
to
sure.
start showing.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'll roll it in my hands. You can use the rolling pin as well. Make sure that it has to be fried very slowly. Uh, gas should be very slow. Otherwise, they will become very soft after a while. Maybe when they're fresh, they might be crispy. But kachori are meant to be crispy for another 2 weeks. So
Oh, is it? Like
yeah,
it can stay
yeah,
for
it,
longer?
it will. It takes around 15 minutes for it go. Okay, then I'll going to put the ball. I'll roll it. You can remove some extra dough if it is. If it is not, then you can leave it like this. I'll fill some.
I think that is the best snacks you can keep in house for the kids.
Yeah. Yeah, it can be kept in an airtight container for 2 weeks or even more than that. While making it, if they are too much, then it can be covered with a muslin cloth or wet cloth so that they don't become dry.
Shall we start frying? I can
Yeah, I'll
help
check
you.
the oil. When you put,
How do you check the oil?
I'll put a small piece of dough into that. If it is if oil is very heated, it will come out immediately, which I don't want. So it should come up slowly. Okay, it's almost ready. It's maybe I'll take another 1 or 2 minutes so I can fill some more.
Shall I try some?
Yeah, of course. You should.
This sounds really fun.
Yeah. So now you can see, now it is coming up slowly. So I'll start pressing it when I will remove that, otherwise it will come up.
I don't think I will be that good as
No, that's
Daisy, but
fine.
I'm trying.
Even I am not very perfect.
She's doing something here, but it doesn't.
See, when you are making the kachori, it should not be very thin. Otherwise, it will be very hard or it will become like a puri. And it should not be very thick. If it will be very thick, then it might not be, it will not get cooked properly. Okay. So
You sound like a professional cook.
No. Though I'm not. Okay. Now I'm going to put the kachori into, maybe I'll make 3 of them, 4 of them. Are you able to fill them?
Yeah, I will. Mine is probably not will be that good as yours,
Oh,
but
I'm not sure about mine as well. So I'm done. Okay, wait for this. So, and I'll keep the flame very slow because I have to cook it slowly for at least 15 minutes.
is it? Okay.
Yeah, otherwise it will become soft after some time. And moreover, it can be cooked in the oven also at 180 degrees Celsius, and you can keep it for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay. But of course, frying in oil gives a taste, Indian taste.
Indian taste, yes.
So I can slightly press it with the spoon so that they should puff up properly.
Wow, it is actually coming out very nice. Like I can see it's the bubble.
Yeah.
Oh God, that's a dream. Very nice. See, that's what it is. Like we all have a little specialities, which we learn from many years of cooking, isn't it?
Oh, I'm not sure about myself, but I thought since you guys are doing so much for ISRA and so much of community work, so I thought when you said, I said I will try.
That's true.
Maybe.
Meanwhile, while we are doing that, do you want to show us how to make the aloo ki sabji?
Yeah, I think I'll start doing that. Okay. Good. They're coming up very well. And gas has to be slow.
So what are we doing?
I'm going to make very quick aloo ki sabji,
Mm-hmm.
which is very easy to make. Okay.
So traditionally, you eat these kachoris with aloo ki sabji.
Yeah, we have it with lots of things like tamarind and date chutney,
Oh yeah.
mint chutney,
Hmm.
aloo ki sabji, and with green chilies.
Ah, nice.
So first I'll put some. It is very nice when you make it with ghee. Aloo ki, smells very nice, but it's up to you. You can make it in the oil also.
Hmm.
I'll make it slow. Oh, yeah, I think they are coming up very well.
So Daisy, someone asked us that how do we know that the filling does not come out while frying? Is that any tip for it?
Doesn't come out means it is raw.
No. So I think.
Oh, fillings should not come out.
uh,
For that, you have to make the dough very smooth.
hmm.
It should be soft, but not very soft.
Okay.
Be very careful that dough is very smooth, and when you roll it, then you have to take a bit extra of dough. So that you have to manage with that.
Okay.
But there should not be any cracks in the dough, otherwise
Hmm.
it will come out. Okay, then I'll take the masala mousse. So what I'm going to do, I put some ghee. Now I'm putting some cumin seeds into that. When they crack, I'll add some turmeric powder,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'll also add some bay leaves and full green chili. Oh, sorry, red chilies. And that's red chili powder. Then I'm going to add some grated tomato. I've taken 2 big potato and 1 big grated tomato. Let it cook there, maybe for 2-3 minutes, and let's see how our kachoris are going on. Maybe I can turn it once.
So when the color change, you can turn
Yeah,
it.
when you can feel it is slightly brown from the bottom, then you can turn it. They have to be golden brown, so you can keep changing in between, but make sure to fry it very, very slowly.
Yeah, I can see the flame is very, very low.
Yeah, it should be very, very low.
So is that because it become crispy?
Yeah, crispy. Make them crispy. Otherwise, they will become like puri.
Yes.
Like they will be puffed up. They will be crisp. They might be crispy at the beginning, but you can't keep them for a longer period. So this is my quick recipe for making potatoes and tomato sabji. I'll fry it till oil comes out.
Is it true that tomatoes, like you have to cook in oil a little bit to get the taste out of it? Like why we are cooking the tomatoes in oil? We can't put it later on, like after you put the oil.
No, tomato has to be, so that the flavor is good. Tomato has to be cooked properly. It should be cooked very well, and that gives a different aroma. You can feel the aroma after 1 or 2 minutes. Like when you,
So they show it to the viewers that it's actually in a boiling. So we are just trying to get rid of the water as well, isn't it?
Yeah. No, this is not. There's no water. It's grated. It's watery because of tomato is grated.
Okay.
You can cook it with the onion. It all depends on your taste. You can first fry onion and then tomato. Some people cook it without any tomato. They put lots of ghee or oil and without any. That is also nice. So it all depends on your choice. Turning it once again. They should be properly cooked from both the sides. Now my tomato is cooked, so I'm going to put some potato.
So this is 2 potatoes, right?
Yeah.
And you can keep this for 2 to 3 days as well? Because it's made in ghee or no?
For 2-3 days in the fridge, it's okay, but of course you can't keep it outside. Like kachori can be kept outside. So it's like normal sabji which you can keep in the fridge for 2-3 days. But after, generally I don't prefer potato sabji after 1 or 2 days.
But just in case if you want to prepare
for 2-3 days, it's okay. Yeah, in the fridge, there's no problem at all for 2-3 days. Okay, then I'll fry the potato a bit. I have mashed up potatoes because that is traditional Delhi style aloo ki sabji. But if you want to chop them, but of course you can you have to boil them. And after that, either you can chop them or you can. Okay. So now I'm putting some green chili, some coriander. Coriander maybe I'll put later. Or this is kasuri methi. Okay. So kasuri methi gives a very nice flavor to most of the Indian sabjis.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah. So now you can see how nicely it is coming. Now I'll.
मेरे मुंह में बहुत पानी आ रहा है सच में ये इतना डिलीशियस लग रहा है पूरा डिश
खाएंगे तो और मजा आएगा.
So can we show the viewers the consistency? So this is the consistency. We don't need too runny or too hard either. So it just is semi. Are you putting water in?
I'll put some water in.
Okay.
Okay.
This kachori looks nice. Can we turn it over or
Yeah,
no?
yeah, please. Then I'll make it bit. Just getting very slow, so you can keep changing. You can adjust your flame accordingly. If you see it is not cooking at all, then you can adjust your flame, but should not be very high. Okay, so this is my aloo ki sabji now. I'll cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. You can give a whistle, single whistle, or you can cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. All I'll make that. Oh, so we are almost ready now. Waiting for the kachori. I'll put a paper towel on the plate so that it will drain the excess oil.
So it should be golden brown.
Yeah, it should be golden brown. Now you can see light brown color is coming, so it will be done after 2-3 minutes.
Okay.
Yep. Cook on a bigger flame, it can cook evenly. That's what I'm saying.
Looks amazing. How a kachori is coming out.
Hopefully it will taste nice as well.
No, it will. It will. दिल्ली की मशहूर कचौरी का मतलब of course it will taste.
Yeah, of course. I made it on last Diwali, and most of my friends are saying, "Oh, so you are going to make it on next Diwali only? We are not going to get it before that." I said, "Okay, I'll see." Now lots of people are, "Oh, don't make it just for the show and make lots of kachori and give it to us."
So I'm sure you will be having parties in next 2 weeks.
Yeah, of course. Too much in demand.
Yes. So Delhi, what is all very famous in Delhi? What else are the dishes?
Of course, golgappe,
Okay.
pani puri.
Mm-hmm.
What else? Then there's one. Have you heard about bedi puri? That is actually puri filled with the urad dal stuffing, but they are puri. They are not crispy like this.
Okay.
So that is very popular.
Mhm.
But if you go to Chandni Chowk, then you will and Dahi Bala Papdi, of course. So these are the things.
So I think in short, you don't need to go to every state to taste the dishes. You just watch Taste of India, and you can get all the taste from all regions and all states of India, and you can enjoy every different type of foods every week. I think.
So now, in the meanwhile, we'll start arranging the with all the sauce and. So this is some of the mint chutney. I may make it with garlic. So people who take lots of garlic, they can put 5 of along with a bunch of mint. I just put mint and then garlic, 4 5 cloves of garlic, and then black salt and cumin powder. So this is
Daisy, in your busy schedule, you make the pickles and everything as well.
yeah. I told you that I don't cook very frequently, but when I cook, then cooking is my passion actually.
Oh, that's nice. That's
So you can see the nice brown
Yeah.
color. So it is cooked from almost good. Oh wow. So so now I'll take them out. Excess oil will drain out of the paper towel. Okay.
Look at this, it looks so beautiful. पूरा जो फूल गया है और खस्ता कचौरी जो
इसको
उसका
आप
प्रॉपर मैन
मेरे राई के और चिली के अचार के साथ खाइएगा.
So even you can eat raw without putting with the aloo ki sabji. You can even
Yeah,
eat.
you can have with the even mint chutney or with the tamarind sauce. So it's
Mhm.
even we take it with tea. It goes very well with tea without anything.
Is it?
Yeah, in morning, if they are at home, my husband used to take it with the bad tea only.
So this is like a complete, very good Sunday morning breakfast. It
Yep,
can be,
yep.
or you can say brunch. Very nice.
They are quite heavy actually.
Oh.
But if oil is not absorbed into it, then it's okay.
Yeah, I can see it's
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it's not
Oil has
very
not gone
absorbed.
inside.
It's actually
And of course, dal
Yeah.
is very healthy, so it's not unhealthy as well.
yeah.
So, all good. Ready to go. Who wants to taste first?
Yeah. Papuri, please come. So I'm just going to try aloo ki sabji, which looks amazing. Mmm, beautiful. It has all the flavors of all the spices and
Babies and chili.
exactly, and you can smell a lot of like ginger and chilies and everything. Very nice, very nice. All right, we have our cameraman today, Papuri Barua, with us. Papuri, do you want to come and taste some as well?
Sure. Ladies.
Do you normally pop it and put something in there or not?
It depends on individual actually.
How do you want?
Yeah, generally we break it and then take the, like we eat a roti in sabji. Some people crush it completely, put it in the curry and they eat it. So it all depends on individual choice.
Papuri, aja.
Yeah, I'll just go from that side.
Yep.
This is the best part. Thank you so much. I'll just try it as well. Just try the picture. It looks so good. Wow. Can you try? Pretty good.
Very nice, very tasty, very delicious, and very healthy as well. It reminds me that all the way to India, when you go to the street food,
So good.
so good, very nice, very nice.
And you can see the language
Yes.
inside. It's
Yep.
full of-
It is fantastic.
All
the spices and the-
The sauce tastes so good.
Yeah.
The sauce has made like a really
Yeah, that
fresh,
is a very refreshing.
very refreshing. Yeah, very nice.
Wow. Thank you.
It's like very good, very good. All right, Daisy, thank you so much for participating. We definitely learned very nice kasa kachori from you, and I'm definitely going to go and home and try making myself some.
Oh, you must. This is a thing which has not to be missed.
Yeah, that's true. So this is just a token of appreciation from Indian Society of Western Australia. Thank you so much. This is just like a chopping board.
Oh wow!
Which
I
has,
wanted to buy a small chopping board because I can do for chilies and other small things.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
wow.
right. So
Thank you
it
so
has
much.
Taste of India name on it, so you can keep it forever in your kitchen.
Oh, that will be nice.
Thank
Nice.
you so much
Thank you.
for being a part of it.
Thank you.
All right, thank you everyone. Don't forget to watch it every Sunday. Next Sunday there is a women's breakfast, a men's breakfast, and also the cooking show. Next week again we are going to bring you some different dishes from different states, and we all learn from different dishes. Thank you so much, Kirtida Shaka. Namaskar.
Namaskar.